Lebanon-Ghana relations go beyond a century. It is very strong because it is a human relationship in the first place. Most of the Lebanese consider themselves as Ghanaians of Lebanese background. They contributed in different sectors and became an integral part of the Ghanaian social fabric. And they continue their significant contributions in several areas like education. Your Majesty, we believe education is the foundation of every society's progress. So we set up the Lebanese Scholarship Program in 2013, which has helped about 400 students in many different fields in Accra and Kumasi. We will do our best to reach more students in Ashanti region, and we will do our best to contribute more in many other sectors in Kumasi. And we will be delighted to take notice of your future vision and to receive your wise advice. I thank you on behalf of the Lebanese community for the privilege to be given this opportunity. I deeply appreciate this great honor. Medassi, shukran, thank you, long live Assentman, long live Ghana, long live Lebanon-Ghana relations.
We welcome you also to Kumasi,
Sure.
your duty tour, and I hope that the relationship between Ghana and Lebanon
Sure.
is enhanced. I know you have that experience. I've been trained in Sorbonne and in French language and everything.
Sure.
In the foreign ministry for all these years. You have the quality and the experience to be in Ghana to bring my sons here. Thank you for bringing me some of them that I've not seen for some time.
Sure.
And now today you brought them back to me here. I appreciate what they do for Ghana. I appreciate what their contribution in terms of employment that they're creating, in terms of taxes that are creating that they're paying for Ghana.
Sure.
Overall, the economic development that they're contributing to Ghana is something that I appreciate. Lebanon and Ghana, in fact, the Lebanese people in Ghana, as you said, are Ghanaians.
Sure.
And I keep on saying that they have nowhere to go but here. If they tell me they're going to Lebanon, I tell them, go and visit and come back. Most of the people who tell me that they're going to visit, I tell you, don't spend more than 2 weeks and come back here.
Sure.
Where you belong. But let me say that they have done so much and we have had this relationship, cordial relationship. They are not harmful, quiet, minding their own business, doing their own businesses. You hardly hear of them they go about their duties in a more honorable way, and I always appreciate them and love them. And what I see during your time to do is to bring us more closer so that we can encourage more investments and all that here, and then also appreciate that they also would accept and appreciate that we admire them and we respect them and we adore them as what they do for Ghana.
Sure.
They've instituted scholarships for lawyers and all those in the KNUST and then in the University of Ghana. Their wives also contribute in social interventions also that I know they do so many programs, charitable programs also. So these are all things that we take notice of. And so they should appreciate that as I sit here as their father, I'm always watching and knowing that they're doing so much for us.
Sure.
Thank you very much for bringing them today. But Lebanon and Ghana still have so much to do. But, sometimes there are concerns about what happens over there, and I can assure you that when this rubble and wars are there, where inconsistency in setting up a government and all those, and that affects us.
Sure.
There was this explosion at the harbor. I was more concerned because I was following with deep passion how those things were going to be resolved. When the economy is not in good standing, we still fear, because when it comes to most people here send money down. And Lebanon survives from the money that they send down to keep the economy going. So
Sure.
we pray that the governance over there would be more stable and the leadership, because you see that Prime Minister Harari is resigned, this one is coming, this one is going, this one is coming and all that. It doesn't make it more stable. But because of these people, we also feel that Lebanon is also part of us.
Sure.
So we pray and hope that there will be stability over there, and so that they can then jointly contribute to the development here and in Lebanon. Under your stewardship whilst you're here, I know you bring them together, and therefore the two we can then jointly do things in common together.
Sure.
Ghana Motors, for example, I don't have anything to say because he's doing so much for me. Ahmed and others, my children, they're all here. And so thank you very much for bringing them. I've not seen them for some time. You shouldn't wait for the ambassador to come before you come and see me.
Sure.
Now that the ambassador has come now, I look forward to be seeing you regularly. Excellency, thank you very much.